Hey there, James here. Welcome to my review for the Gold Rush, the first new product by Michael Chaney. I'm sure you've heard of him. In about 2 or 3 years. This guy has made millions of dollars online. His stuff sells. I know, because I promoted a lot of his stuff in the past and have made some decent money with it. So now he has the Gold Rush, and he uses the Wild West theme, which I think is kind of neat. And he explains his life situation. It's called the Gold Rush, where the money is online and how to get it. But here's the big thing. He's giving away $5,000 in cold hard cash to encourage you to join the Gold Rush. No crap. He's going to give away 5,000 cold hard cash, but only if you obtain a copy of Gold Rush, which is really, really reasonable. I will show you the price right now. Now, of course, here's some bonuses he gives away, and I will show you my own bonuses in a few seconds. You're going to love them. It's got a 30-day guarantee. Here is the Gold Rush, just $9.97. So for $10, you can turn that $10 into $5K. But I can't stress it enough. You got to get this in order to do it. He's not going to give it away to anybody who doesn't buy the product. Yes, he calls it a bribe. Whatever, in so many words. He doesn't exactly say bribe, but hey, because he really believes in his product and he knows that the more people he can get it to, the more chances that he'll make more millionaires like him. Okay, let me cut to the quick and show you my bonuses, review and bonuses page, which is counting down. And let me show you real quick my bonuses. Of course, I give his product a 9. And see, this is some of the lifestyle that he has experienced because of internet marketing. It works, I'm telling you. He didn't think at the beginning he could do it, and he did. Same here. I went for like 2 years without making a dime, you know. Okay, so here's bonus number 1, which is really 12 bonuses in one. Now, I don't have the time to show you in detail, but just go to my page, which is below my video, or above, depending on where you're watching it. Bonus number 2, auto affiliate machine, newbie-friendly. Number 3, copy and paste your way to $80 a day. These are all free access to products that once sold online. You'll get them free. Fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon is really powerful today. And why not learn about how you can make money on Amazon? Easy SEO. SEO is connected to the Gold Rush. And you'll find out once you get the Gold Rush. 3-step profit machines. Okay, my bonus number 6. My bonus number 7, Commissionly. Another product that was released not long ago that is now available for free. But only through me, only through my bonuses. Bonus number 8. This is a case study of my own. You'll read more about it when you get it. And finally, Reactor, which was a big hit last year. Free access. No kidding. Okay, this page does expire. I don't want you to miss it. And most of all, I don't want you to miss the possibility of 5,000 cold hard cash just for paying under $10. And the Gold Rush is worth every penny. All right, thanks for watching. Once again, don't forget my 9 bonuses only through me right here. 9 awesome bonuses just for you from me. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.